How to make basil mayonnaise. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. This is a simple recipe for basil mayonnaise, has the power to take so many of your favorite foods to the next level. Example: think chicken, shrimp, or egg salads, tomato sandwiches, and all sorts of dips and dressings. This vibrant mayo is a game changer. Instructions: how to make basil mayonnaise. Put mayonnaise, fresh basil leaves, and lemon juice in a food processor or blender. If you are doing a small batch, it helps to have a smaller sized machine. Blend. Scraping down the sides of the bowl is necessary, until the mayo is pale green and the basil has been incorporated. There will still be small flecks of basil visible. If there are any larger pieces, keep blending. Add salt to taste, and adjust any of the ingredients to your liking. Blend in more basil, salt, or lemon juice if you like. Chill the basil mayo before using, it will thicken as it chills. Now you can easily make and enjoy with your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for basil mayonnaise. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.